What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to take care of silver hair. So let's get started. Okay guys, so these are all the essentials that you're gonna need to use this wonderful treatment, should I say. You're gonna need a wet brush and you're gonna need a few clips to carry with you in the shower. I'm starting off with the Blonde Angel. Then I'm going to go with the Cool Angel Enhancing Treatment to enhance the silveriness in my hair. Okay guys, we're back. So we just got through with the shampoo and we got the Blonde Angel. This is the first step that you use. It is a purple base, so to kind of get that little violet-y tint going on just a little bit. And then I went in with my Cool Angel. Both of these are by Kevin Murphy, and this is the product. This is what's going to enhance the silver in my hair. And for all of you ladies who have platinum, silvery, want that cool ash tone to your hair, this is going to be a fun product to use at home in between having to see your stylist. I left the treatment in my hair for about a good 10 minutes, clipped up my hair, did what I needed to do, went back and I rinsed it. The longer you leave it, the more toned it'll be. So if it's something that you just need a little quick touch up in the shower, that's cool. Just make sure you carry a clip and a good brush with you, and I preferably recommend maybe a wet brush. That way you can distribute the product through the hair, clip it up, let it sit so it all absorbs, and rinse it out. But make sure you always towel dry your hair very well before applying this treatment. So let's go ahead and get to blow drying and see what it looks like. Okay, and these are going to be the styling products that I am using in my video today. We have the Kevin Murphy Anti-Gravity. We have the Smooth Again for the frizziness. And this is the oil that is by SEBASTIAN. It's called the Dark Oil. This is for volume. So this is like the only type of oil you can actually place at your roots to end. So I will show you how I use that towards the end. But our main goal today is to use this lovely enhancing treatment. So let's get started. Hey guys, alright, so we just got done with the whole thing and this is the after. My hair is very soft, feels good. I feel enhanced thanks to that product by Kevin Murphy. I think Cool Angel is so cool and I highly recommend it for you guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have cool ashy tones, silverish, platinum-y hair, and you want to keep it maintained, I highly recommend this product. It was great. I obviously tried it just to show y'all to see how it works. If you have any questions about it, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will list down the other products that I did use in my hair to style out if you enjoyed it, so that way you can check them out, see how you like them. I will list what they are for as well too. So again, if this video was helpful to you all, please hit the like button and show your girl some love. Again, if you want to see some more beauty tips, other things that are going on with me, please hit that subscribe button so that way you can see all the upcoming videos weekly. So thanks again, and I will see you guys next video. Take care.